Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the basics on how to properly breastfeed your baby. Breastfeeding can be challenging for new mothers, but it's an important and rewarding experience. To ensure a successful journey, it's crucial to discuss any questions or concerns with your healthcare provider and take a breastfeeding class. Tips for proper breastfeeding. Find a comfortable place to breastfeed and have water, snacks, and pillows nearby for support. A comfortable environment can help you and your baby relax during the breastfeeding session. Pillows can also help support your back and arms, making it more comfortable to hold your baby. Wake your baby if sleeping, change the diaper, and start with skin-to-skin contact. Before breastfeeding, it's a good idea to change your baby's diaper. Skin-to-skin contact is also important, as it can help regulate your baby's body temperature, heart rate, and breathing, and promote bonding between you and your baby. Position your baby with their head and body in a straight line, facing the breast, with their nose aligned with the nipple. Proper positioning is key to a successful latch. To ensure a proper latch, wait for your baby to open their mouth wide, bring your baby to your breast, and make sure they are latched onto the areola, the darker area around the nipple, not just the nipple. This can help ensure that your baby is able to latch on properly and get enough milk. A proper latch is crucial to successful breastfeeding. This can help prevent nipple pain and trauma and ensure adequate milk transfer. Let your baby nurse for as long as they want to their satisfaction, and burp them for at least 1 minute before switching breasts. This can help ensure that they get enough milk and help prevent engorgement. Burping your baby after each breast can also help prevent discomfort and gas. Breastfeed your baby on demand, which can be up to 12 times a day in the first few weeks. Breastfeeding on demand means letting your baby feed whenever they are hungry, rather than on a strict schedule. In the first few weeks, your baby may need to nurse up to 12 times a day, as they have small stomachs and need frequent feedings to grow and develop. Breastfeeding is a natural and beneficial way to nourish your baby, but it can take some practice and patience. By following these basic tips, you can start a successful breastfeeding journey with your baby. Remember to seek support from your healthcare provider or a lactation consultant if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Happy breastfeeding!